Hello, my name is Akito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play After You've Gone by James Hill. First, I'm going to explain how to play the introduction part. And secondly, I'm going to explain the first part of the song. Okay? As for the first part, I'm going to divide it into 4 sections. And as usual, I'm going to use numbers to tell you the chords and note, because it's very confusing. Basically, I want you to see my fingers on the screen and figure out where I put my fingers. But as an aid, as an help, I'm going to tell you with numbers. So I'm going to explain how to tell you the chords and notes. For example, G, I'm going to tell you like 0, 2, 3, 2, because 4th string, nothing is touching, so 0, and second fret, yeah, and 3rd fret, so 3, and 2nd fret, so 2, 0, 2, 3, 2. That's G, right? When I want you to play a single note, I'm going to tell you with numbers as well, but for example this one, I'm going to tell you first the strong string number, so it's going to be first 5, first string and 5th fret, so first 5. And if it's this one, I'm going to say 2nd string, 3rd fret, so 2nd 3. That's the note, okay? So that's how I tell you the chords and note. Now move on to the introduction part. The first chord is this one. It's 3, 4, 3, 3. Play, strum, and put your ring finger on the first 5. Then take it off and put it on again. So it's gonna be like this. Okay? The same thing happens in 1 fret up. It's the same thing, bar the 2nd fret and put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and play and put your ring finger on the first 4, and yeah, do like this, and on the 1st fret as well, the same thing. Then this chord, it's a bit tricky. 1, 2, 2, 1. With a point finger, it should be on the 1st fret of the top string. With a middle finger, on the 1st fret of the 1st string. With a ring finger, it should be on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. With a pinky, it should be on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. That's the chord. Introduction. Slide 1 down. Slide 1 down. The last chord. Big strange chord. Okay, that's the introduction part. So this is the first section of the first part. So first, 2nd first, and 2nd 2. Bar the 3rd fret and play top 3 strings, okay? And put your pinky on the 2nd 6. Play, with 3rd fret bar up to here. Then put your ring finger on the first 5. Then it goes like this. So this chord, firstly bar the 1st fret and put your middle finger bottom, on the bottom 3 string of the 2nd fret, and put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the first string. So then play 1st string and put your pinky on the first 5. Put it on, put it off, put it on, put it off. Okay? So I'm going to slow down. You see? It goes like this. First, here's one. So third 0, third 1, this chord, 3, 2, 1, 0, and play the top 3 string. Then play second string, put your pinky on the second 3 and play. First 0, then. So this chord is 4, 5, 3, 0, and play top 3 strings. Second string, first string, second string. Play all the strings. Second string. So I'm going to slow down. Next one. Three, 4, 3, 0. And play top 3 strings. Second string. Then put your pinky on the first 5. Okay. It goes like this. Then the next chord is F7, 2, 3, 1, 3. F shape, and put your ring finger here and pinky on here. And play top 3 string and second string and strum. So I'm going to slow down. This chord, put the first fret and put your middle finger on the second fret of the third string, and second 3. Then this chord, 3, 2, 1, 0. Play top 3 string, second string, and put your pinky on the second 3. Take it off, then play. Then take off your middle finger, play the third string, play third 2, second string, play top 3 string. Then put your ring finger on second 2. Okay, that's the end of the fourth part. That's the end of the section 4. Now I'm going to play whole song slowly again. So that's the end of this tutorial. Please wait for the second part. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.